Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome to UK Chemistry Academy. Our today's MCQs is about organic chemistry. Now let's come to the statement. Coffee beans contain chlorogenic acid and it is the structural formula of chlorogenic acid. As you can see that there are two phenolic group and there are three alcoholic group and third one is carboxyl group and the fourth one is ester group. Okay, now let's come to the statement. How many moles of sodium hydroxide will react with 1 mole of chlorogenic acid under each of the following conditions? Now there are two conditions which are given below. First one is in the cooled state. So whenever you are reacting the chlorogenic acid with sodium hydroxide in the cooled state, the 3 moles of sodium hydroxide will react with chlorogenic acid. How? The 1 mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this phenolic group. The second mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this phenolic group. And the third mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this carboxylic group. So it will form the sodium phenoxide or sodium carboxylate. So in the cooled state, 3 moles of sodium hydroxide will react with chlorogenic acid. Now let's come to the second condition. In the hot state, whenever you are reacting the chlorogenic acid with sodium hydroxide in the hot state, the 4 moles of sodium hydroxide will react with 1 mole of chlorogenic acid. How? The first mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this phenolic group and the second mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this phenolic group to form the sodium phenoxide, and the third mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this carboxylic group to form the sodium carboxylate, and the fourth mole of sodium hydroxide will react with this ester group. The fourth mole of sodium hydroxide will break the ester bond and to form the quinic acid and to form the sodium caffeate salt. So the total 4 moles of sodium hydroxide will react with 1 mole of chlorogenic acid in the hot state. And the last thing, you must know that sodium hydroxide will not react with this alcoholic group either in the cooled state or in the hot state. Why? Because the alcoholic group is the very weak acid, even weaker than water. So sodium hydroxide does not react with this alcoholic group. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.